Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing, where you can find some of the best Moffetts in the United States. Today, we're going to give you a nice video of a 2013 Moffett M70 with only 637 hours. This baby also has a 12-foot mast to give you the extra reach you need. Now, this thing has been through our refurbish process. It's been gone through. The hoses have been checked. We've pressure and leak checked it, replaced the things we found wrong with it. Anything loose like a bearing, a mast bearing or a bushing has been taken care of, ladies and gentlemen. She has nice rubber all the way around. Another special thing you're going to get with this forklift is it has a backrest, which is quite rare on truck-mounted forklifts. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk around and give you a look at this thing, and you can look for yourself how nice it is. Let's go up here and look. Now, this is a nice brand new paint job. All this diamond plating in the cage, in the seat, and many of the things that can be disassembled are removed. We've thoroughly cleaned it and then put a nice paint job on here. That's beforehand we steam clean it. So it is just really looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm going to walk around and show you the back tire. As you can see, lots of meat there, knee-deep meat. Everything has been fully serviced. New filters, new oil. As you can see, everything looks great. We got new paint inside here too. It's gonna last a long time. You're gonna look great doing the job. Now we're gonna come around and show you this side, ladies and gentlemen. There's your back corner shot. Look how tall that mast is. I'll take you in here. You can see how clean everything is. Why buy new? You know another good thing about these forklifts here? This thing has a 7,000 pound lifting capacity, and it probably only weighs between 100 and 300 pounds more than a Moffett M55. All you need is a little bit more. It hangs out the back a little bit more. You can put it on a regular Moffett kit, or we can install a specific one for this so it doesn't hang out, but the frame is just a little bit longer to give you that extra reaching, for that extra power to lift up. Now I'm going to walk around and Carrie's going to give you a nice operational video. We're going to show you this forklift running. First we're going to start it up. Hear that Kubota come to life, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, all the lights are working. Strobe, headlights, turn lights, hazard lights. Up and down she goes. Nice pump, no growling. Look at the mast go in and out. That's your mast carriage. You suck things in, they're heavy, put them over the wheels. Now we're going to show you mast tilt, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to show you side shift. Also, we're going to show you the outriggers going down. That's for you to pick up big heavy things, lift them up, put them over the wheels, and get rolling. Now Carrie's going to show you how smoothly all the motors, the hydraulic motors work. He's going to go forwards and backwards. Lots of pressure there. Everything's super tight. Look, listen how nice this thing runs. It only has 600 hours, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Moffett M70, so hard to find. It doesn't even weigh very much more than an M55. Okay, Carrie's going to go ahead and shut it off. And I'm going to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web at you can give us a call, 260-238-4998, or you can get us on the web, 99lifts.com. And look, ladies and gentlemen, many lifts in stock. We probably have 45 to 50 ready to go. M45s, M55s, M8s, NXs, Princetons. We carry it all, ladies and gentlemen. We're your one-stop shop. We can also provide a trailer with you and give you a special combo discount. Princeton PBXs, Princeton PB50s, everything you could want. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to end by showing you the back of this thing. Look how nice and clean she is. I'm going to end this video and thank you very much for checking it out. Give us a call today.